ladies and gentlemen, before I reveal this vintage vacuum cleaner, here's the commercial for that vacuum cleaner.
What's your biggest problem with vacuum cleaners?
I don't like buying filter bags.
I don't think I ever came home with the proper bag.
Every time I had to empty the bag, there was always stuff would come out.
Throw those bags away forever. Introducing the Phantom Fury Vacuum with patented dual cyclone action. Non-stop power devours dirt and deposits it into a clear bin. It's easy to empty.
It's incredible how fast and how powerful the Phantom vacuum really is.
The Phantom Fury comes with a HEPA filter on its exhaust.
The HEPA filter is one of the most efficient filters you can use to control dust.
The Phantom Fury is two machines in one, upright and cleaning one.
Push a button and you can just hit the high places, the low places, places where you can't reach, and it saves you time.
Call now for a free video and brochure. The Phantom Fury Vacuum cleans up a storm, and you'll never change a bag again. Call now.
You don't have to have bags.
Wow, Brian, you really outdid yourself. Man, Brian over at All for Discounts, he wasn't kidding when he said that he takes extra care of these packages. Wow. Holy mo. Dang, bro. You really secured it in there. Holy crap. You ever seen the movie The Mummy? Well, that's how you wrapped it. Wow. So, let's unravel it. This boy is a lot more patient than I am. Look, even I cut my finger. Here y'all go. The Phantom Fury. This thing looks brand Spitfire and new. Wow, man. Holy crap. And here it is, put together. Wow. We'll go into the attachments in a little bit. So, I have made a mess with the last bit of coffee. So what we're going to do is vacuum it up. Wow. You know, I haven't heard that sound in so long. Thank you, Brian. Brings back a lot of memories. So let's talk about those memories. It was probably 1998, and well, my dad saw the commercial for this particular vacuum and he absolutely wanted it. So he bought it, and at the time they were going for about $240, maybe a little bit higher depending upon which model you got. And he got it home finally after what seemed like an eternity, and he went over one rug in the living room. There was 2 rugs. We had a pretty good sized living room in my childhood home, and it filled that entire canister right there completely full. And my mother threw it away over a decade later because it needed a new vacuum cleaner belt. And I'm not kidding. So I saw this on the 16th anniversary of my father's death, and I bought it. I had been looking for one forever, and I knew some wide-eyed collector was gonna snatch it up, and y'all have enough of them already. I've seen y'all's videos. Y'all have like 10 of these, and I don't really understand, but at the same time I kind of do, because these are awesome vacuum cleaners. And I'll probably go over this in just a minute with my Dyson, but just to see if it missed anything, but I doubt it. Does it have... He dropped something. This kid climbs on everything, man. My son is... Dude, if there was a tree in the house, he'd climb on it, I swear. And he loves machines, especially vacuums, as much as I do. Oh, and Bluey. I miss you, Pop. Thank you for the great memories and awesome appliances. I'm going to tell my son that this was his grandfather's, even though it is a little white lie, but this thing is almost 30 years old. 9842. That means it was manufactured between the dates of October the 12th through October the 18th of 1998. Essentially what this is in fact a Dyson DC-01 in disguise. People have argued with me with that, but that's essentially what it is, just with Phantom's name on it, and it's using Dyson's patents. Just saying. But it came with this little floor tool. I remember that. I remember that little brush, and it came with another brush, and I remember that one too as a kid. And here's that brush. In my opinion, this is money well spent and a wonderful Father's Day gift from my wife, because she asked me what I wanted for Father's Day, and I already have the most precious Father's Day gift of all, that no one or anything can replace him, and that would be that little boy over there that is making a mess. But you know what? It's okay. You know why? Because he likes to tinker with things. But I told her this Phantom vacuum, the Phantom Fury, which is my favorite Phantom vacuum, will be just fine. Thanks, Brian. I really appreciate it. I've got another one that's coming in. It's not a Fury, and it's from him, but you'll have to stay tuned because he's going to ship it out today. I greatly appreciate you, brother. And if you get any more of these Furies, let me know, because I will buy them, because parts are not really available for these things hardly anymore, because this thing is almost 30 years old. Thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all have a great day. And life is too short to not be able to get what you want or need in life. So let me go get my Dyson Ball Animal 3. And here they are, side by side. It's about to pour down. So you notice how this one comes up Reason why I say it's like a Dyson, Dyson's does too. It's the same thing. The difference in these two is that this one can be used on hard floors, tile, whereas this one cannot, because I can turn off the brush roll on this one. However, on the Cyclone, you can turn off the brush roll, and that would be the Phantom Cyclone. This is the Phantom Fury. Okay, son, let's see what the Phantom Fury missed. Ain't nothing in there that it has missed. Kids like anything that spins. Don't get me the line as to why, they just do. Ever since I bought the Ball Animal 3, this is what he has done. I finally got my dream vacuum. I can't thank Brian enough. Please like and subscribe.